Bye, what's good, YouTube? So Southern Fatty Packers come back to y'all for another video, and I mean, I'll just show y'all. I'll be talking and while I'm showing y'all, but he just wanted to say thanks to all y'all for the support, and he loves y'all. And let's get into the video. You know, just look. Y'all see it raining? This is the damn bullshit I'm talking about. Look. Hang on. Yeah, y'all see it running? And this, look. I'm over here at my grandma and grandpa. See, just look. Water hose, water. Water. Man. But I mean, you guys, I am so sick and tired of the damn water. I'm tired of it raining. It's every day. Rain, 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 rain. I mean, shit. Quit for a while. But yeah, I'm gonna go on in here and see what my mom and my grandma and them doing. I think they want to go out of town, get some chicken, and get my grandpa a lottery. Well, let's go see what they're up to. I'm gonna be showing y'all. There's my mama's car. There's my grandpa's old Cheyenne. There's my mama's car. Old Charger. Up there's where they live at. My mama and them. Let's go see what the verdict's gonna be, cause here in a minute I'm going to go to the house and get on Modern Warfare and I'm gonna go in here and see what the verdict is, cause here in a minute I'm going to be going to the house and getting on Modern Warfare, son. And I had to go out there. I went out there and bought my new controller, cause I dropped mud and the joystick broke on it. And I threw it in the trash. I had it for 3 months. I threw it in the trash. And I went out there at Walmart a while ago. Bought me another gray one. It's pretty good. I'll make a video on it tonight. But let's get on in here.
Have you ate anything? That's the key, man. You don't get your breast
So what we gonna do? We going out there or what?
Don't get some. I'm going to get my bladder.
Howdy ho, it's been the second time I've been to New Boston ho.
Well, you don't want to go stay with Papa.
What?
You going with him?
Yeah, I've always went with them, haven't I? I might as well not stop today.
Okay, buddy.
I've always went with these 2 old women. Ever since I was old enough to get in. So, that's alright, one more time. I didn't sleep today. We was out there at New Boston, 10 o'clock, out at Denny's getting some breakfast. Good too, to the
How
long
much gas have I got in
half a
here?
tank. Go ahead and buckle up. Say no Justin leaving out.
Probably on call.
The ball game don't start this early, ain't it? Yeah.
Yeah, but it was a long ways away, wasn't it?
No, it's up here.
It's in mold.
Mold.
Yeah.
Cause Brad asked me if I was gonna. I just seen Brad go down toward his house, but he asked me if I was gonna go up there to it. I said no, man. So that's a pneumonia waiting out and getting cold tonight. It's supposed to be raining. Said, shit, you'd had pneumonia. You ain't got no big jacket. I said, yeah, I got a big jacket, but shit.
You want Skylar to go.
But shit, I'm not gonna get out there and get pneumonia. About half plugged up as it is. But half on the stopped up side. Oh, I see where somebody went to Chick-fil-A. I'll tell y'all, I won't get no more of them damn grilled chicken nuggets. I ain't what the shit, boy. Them grilled chicken nuggets, and they don't look nothing like the picture. The picture makes them look good when you get them. Cause they look like they take a piece of grilled chicken, make it into a nugget for them, grill it, and soak it in Worcester sauce. What it looks like. They wasn't no good. Them old grilled chicken nuggets wasn't no good. I don't want no more of them. I messed up and got me 12 of them. Had to eat them because we done left from the place. I couldn't get me the good kind. But I don't know on that damn recliner. I was reading about something. Reading about Royce laying in the floor for some reason. I don't know what it was. Yeah.
I hate to leave him there by himself.
Hell.
I should have stayed home.
Come on, he's alright. Guess you need to go out there and make up for him with City Glass. You got a chip over there. Hear me? You get that chip fixed in your windshield up there? You better get it fixed because if it breaks, it'll crack.